Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are having a wonderful day. And as you can see, today we have our January 2020 VellaBox. I'm super excited to get in here and see what we got for January. This is one of my favorite subscriptions. I'll go over that in just a moment. But again, first, I want to say thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. Guys, don't forget we do have an active giveaway down below, so definitely check that out. The link will be in the description box. So, VellaBox. It is a monthly candle subscription, and they have 3 different tiers because they like to try and kind of fit anybody's budget, which I really like. So they have their $10 box where you receive a 4-ounce candle. They have a $20 box where you receive an 8-ounce candle, and then they have a $30 box where you receive both the 8 and the 4-ounce candle, and that is the one that I have here. And you always receive a free little goodie gift with your box every month. And the good news is I will put a link down below as well as a promo code. I'll put the promo code right here for you also. But follow the link, use that promo code, and you get $5 off your first box. And it does not matter if you buy the $10 subscription, the $20 or the $30, the $5 off will work either way. So let's get in here and see what we got for January 2020 and what kind of amazing candles, because they're always amazing, we got. So anytime you first open the box, it says, there's always like a little pretty picture with a quote, and this one says, "The new year stands before us like a chapter in a book waiting to be written. Melody Beatty." So there's that. That's very pretty. And then you can see our candles. They always come in the most adorable little canvas bags, and these are so good to repurpose. So let me pull these out. Oh, I can see what I think is our free gift, and it's definitely very different, but I kind of like it. I'm kind of digging it. All right, let's see. So this will go over kind of the different candles, the different notes of the candle, and it will tell us about our little bonus goodie. So we are going to start with the 4-ounce candle. I do like the bags this month. They kind of have a woodsy look. If you look, you kind of see like knots like you would see on a tree, but they're very simple at the same time. I love it. So this again is the 4-ounce candle. So this is what you would receive with the $10 subscription. And oh, Pear Spice homemade soy candle, 4-ounce, and Faya Candle Company. Love that. Faya candles, let's go over that first. They are located in Lincoln, Nebraska. Every candle provides a nutritious meal to a child in need across the world. Love that. They give back, so that is amazing. It's always 100% soy wax candles that are hand poured by the Faya team in Lincoln, Nebraska. All right, so the Pear Spice. The fragrant notes are succulent pears and rich spices. An original Freya scent, Pear Spare was inspired by home-baked goodness we crave all year while providing a meal to a child who needs it most. Oh, I love that. Oh my, y'all. Oh my gosh. I want like 100 more of these and just like light them everywhere. Oh, I wish you could smell. Oh my gosh. That smells so good. Oh my goodness. I definitely get like the sweetness and juiciness almost of the pear. I'm not really getting a lot of spice because it does smell sweet and just amazing. Oh my goodness. Oh, we're off to an amazing start, which we always are with VellaBox. VellaBox never disappoints, I'll be honest. I love candles. So if you love candles, I definitely recommend this subscription because first of all, the candles are always amazing. They always partner with different companies and they're local, small batch, and the candles always smell so amazing. All right, so our second candle again also is from Faya Candle Company. This is Brown Sugar and Fig. Y'all, brown sugar, sweet vanilla, freshly cut figs. An all-time favorite that is both sweet and smooth, this enticingly warm scent creates a soothing atmosphere while making a difference in the world. Oh my gosh. I have no words. You guys, y'all, this smells so good. I mean, I seriously have no words. Oh, I cannot choose which one I like best. I like them. I love them equally. I want to hug them and squeeze them and hold them. And I want to light them, but I don't want to light them because I don't want to not have them anymore. Those are the best smelling candles I have ever received from VellaBox. Like I said, VellaBox is amazing every month, but those two candles, there's just something about the scents. They're definitely my type of scents when it comes to candles. And y'all, oh my gosh. Okay, now for our little bonus gift, Natural Birch Coaster. And this is from Glen, Wisconsin. And it's from Winter Woods. It says, established in 1976 by a man living in the northern Wisconsin woods where some of nature's most unique plant life exists. Over 40 years later, they're still in business and balancing the natural beauty of this region with the needs of their customers. So we got, like I said, from Winter Woods, a Natural Birch Coaster. Is that not like the cutest thing ever? Obviously, Southern Mom is my name on here, and I definitely have, you know, like the Southern farmhouse type decor, and this is gonna go perfect in my home, and I think it is just the cutest. I love that it has, you know, birch trees have like where they kind of look like they're peeling. Love this. So this was our free little gift. We've gotten candies before. We have gotten chapsticks. We've gotten all kinds of stuff. That is probably the most unique that I have seen. This is, without a doubt, y'all, this is my absolute favorite month ever with VellaBox. I mean, they always, like I said, do amazing, but they knocked it out of the park this month. Fantastic. So again, the Natural Birch Coaster, this Brown Sugar and Fig 8-ounce candle, and the Pear Spice 4-ounce candle. And like I said, also the Faya Candle Company that they worked with this month donates a meal for every candle sold to a child across the world who is hungry. And I love that so very much. So, let me know what you think would be your favorite, the Pear Spice or Brown Sugar and Fig, because they definitely are similar as far as that like baking and all that yummy goodness type of smell, but they're very different in their own way, and they both smell fantastic. I just cannot wait to light one. But like I said, I will put a link down below. That link will get you over to VellaBox, as well as that promo code that you saw earlier. I'll put that down below as well to save you $5. And again, that will work on any subscription level. The $10, the $10, the $20, or the $30 box. So if you love candles, I definitely recommend this subscription, because who doesn't love, like, first of all, it's a surprise, and it's candles delivered to your door. It's a no-brainer. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.